What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench that you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2025 Nissan Versa. So all those items I just mentioned are going to be located in the trunk of the vehicle. As you can see, I've already got the trunk popped. Then if we come in here, we can pick up on the floor piece like this. And you can just pick this up with one arm and work with one hand, but also this whole piece will pull out, and that's what I'm going to go ahead and do just to get it out of the way. So then taking a look in here at the spare tire, this is held on with a wing nut, and this will just spin off of here. I've already got this one loosened up to save time, but that wing nut will spin off of there like that, and then the spare tire is free to pick up and use. We have our jack right here, and this is just held on by lifting itself up onto this piece, so you just need to, with your hand, lower it. And then once you get it lowered enough, that'll be free to use. And then in this compartment, we'll also see this. This is going to be a little tool pouch. So in here, we're going to have our lug nut wrench, which is also part of the jack handle. And then there'll be another piece like this, which is going to be the other piece for the jack handle. So the way the jack handle will work is this piece will hook on like this on that end. And then this piece right here will go over like this. And that's going to make your jack handle like that. So we have our jack handle we just went over, lug nut wrench, jack, and then our spare tire there. That should be everything you need in order to change your flat tire. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.